Over the years, I've had the opportunity to wear many hats and meet lots of people along the way. I've always been inspired by their unique stories. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Join me as we meet the people, view the places, and experience the values and ideas that define our world today, right here on Profiles. Technology may have been born from the synergy between science and industry, but its ultimate value lies in the power it exerts to better people's lives. Let's learn how the latest technologies are advancing the human cause. Countless men and women put their lives at risk every day to ensure our modern way of life. From the electrical and natural gas fields to the cryogenics and molten metal industries, workers face the dangers of flashes, splashes, explosions, and burns. While standards set forth by OSHA issue provisions on personal protective equipment to safeguard individuals from hazards, they are only as effective as the degree to which they are followed.
In developing personal protective garments in the natural gas industry, we have to address heat stress, mobility, and comfort. If we don't do that, employees are not likely to wear the garment. As far as management, sometimes they don't react unless there's a serious event, and we have to deal with that as well as budgeting issues.
Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is designed to protect employees from serious workplace injuries or illnesses resulting from contact with chemical, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. For Larry and Brenda Stinson, saving lives has become a way of life. The former smelter employees recognized the lack of proper protective apparel in the industry and in 1979 decided to do something about it. The pair founded Silver Needle Incorporated, an Idaho-based company that creates PPE for a wide range of industries.
Unfortunately, when a company calls us, there's usually been an accident, and they're calling us for help. So what we try to do is we ask them different questions. We ask them, what type of accident was it? What type of industry are they in? What kind of a job was the worker doing? And what level of protection does that company want for their employees?
Employers can manage hazards through engineering, administrative, and work practice controls. But abnormal conditions and unpredictable incidents happen, and therefore companies need to ensure that workers are provided with and required to wear the proper PPE.
Each industry is different and the level of protection varies. We send out fabric test kits for them to test on site. We then develop the garment and make sizing garments and send them out for the employees to test for mobility and functionality.
Silver Needle provides 3 levels of protection for the gas industry.
Level 1, 3 seconds, 30 to 40% body burns. Level 1.5, 8 seconds, 6% third-degree body burns. And level 2, 0% body burns in 8 seconds.
The company developed its suits after years of extensive research and testing with DuPont and Northwest Natural Gas. DuPont's Nomex and Kevlar fibers are used in many of Silver Needle's garments.
This is our thermal mannequin test laboratory. We utilize an instrumented mannequin to evaluate the thermal performance of different garment systems. The mannequin's exposed to a full engulfment fireball of a varying duration. It can be an X number of seconds long, and what we do is we measure the amount of thermal energy that a wearer would potentially see in that particular garment system.
Silver Needle offers workers in the molten metals industry different fabrics for dealing with copper, aluminum, and magnesium. In the cryogenics industry, the company provides garments to protect workers from extreme cold as well as potential flash fire. As the natural gas, molten metals, cryogenics, and electrical industries continue to impact our everyday lives, experts say it's ever more critical to keep the workers of these industries safe.